This is a Master Lock 6835. This is a Pro Series. It came from North End Ops 4, apparently, and it does have a serial number on it. But it is a 6835 core in here. This is a Greenbelt level lock. I was gifted this. Somebody ordered a couple of them. One of the members of the tool chapter that I work with in Fredericksburg here. And it is a 6-pin security lock. Looking at LPU belts, it looks like it has mostly spools, serrated pin in there, but it looks like 5 pulls, 1 serrated pin on the website. I've noticed that if you're looking at this, let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. This warding right here does get in the way. So if you pick from here, it will push your pick out of the way. So you have to pick off of this right side right here. So you come in and be able to pick from that right side right there. And I'll see if I can do it on camera like this or not. Just kind of see what I can get going here. Try to do this all zoomed in for you guys. Can't tell if that pin 1 needed to move or not. I was able to pick this sitting at the tool event this past, well, I guess it was last Saturday, the 1st of the month. It is going to be clicky with those spools. I'm using a 40 thousandths tensioner, a top of keyway tensioner, and I'm using one of my Jimmy Longs. I believe these are the 19 thousandths picks here. I'm using a fairly short pick. I'm just trying to see if I can figure out what's not setting here. I do not have a key to this, or do I? No, I don't have a key to this one. So I don't know what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if that was set. Yeah, I'm using a fairly low hook here and trying to stay off of that right side, pick from that right side, angled to the left. I'm just kind of looking to feel, honestly, to see if there's anything that I need to set here. There's a real low pin right here in the front. It doesn't seem to want to, so it might be set. I don't seem to be able to get there's a good grip on it. That feels set. Sometimes it works better when I'm zoomed in like this, sometimes it doesn't. I'm actually looking just past the camera corner here. Just making it a little difficult to see what I'm doing. And it's a weird angle for me. Now this isn't a trivial lock, it is a Greenbelt. So, and I haven't picked in about a week, honestly, or more. I don't know if that's set or if it, what it just did. Or if I overset it or what happened there. But this is what I was using. It might not be quite tall enough to get in there. Let's see if I can try one of the more flat hooks here. See if that helps at all. That way I'm not rolling off of the pin. That gave me a lot of counter rotation there, but didn't seem to get the job done. Let's reset this lock. Maybe I overset something. Try it again. So using the low flat hook here, going off that right corner, if I can get in there, and just kind of seeing what we can feel. There we go. Just had to rub it just right. And we get that open there. You can see. I'll zoom back out. You can see a full rotation there. Lock is open. A little tricky. Kind of had to really feel those quite a bit. Again, that's using the 40 thousandths top of QA tensioner from the Reaper set. I really like this. These are my preferred ones, honestly. And using my Jimmy Long's, I believe this is a 19,000th kind of flat hook here. Really helps having that flat point versus the rounded one that I was using first. That rounded one kept slipping off. This flat one makes it real nice to kind of land on that pin and be able to push it up. So if you're having trouble getting into a greenbelt lock, or any lock at that point, change out your picks. It makes a big difference. I also have, some of these elephant hook picks, if I can get that. They're called elephant trunks, which have like a little groove in them. These help a lot with different locks as well, being able to grab onto that pin and not slip off. Those work real well. And then make sure you're getting a good tensioner. And if you're having issues, because you can try to pick off the bottom of keyway, but it will force your pick off to the right and you'll miss the pins, or you won't be able to set the pins high enough. So make sure you're checking where you're picking from. Hopefully these tips will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.